Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you a really quick and efficient way how to install a bigger sticker on your current truck. The tools that you're gonna need is rubbing alcohol. If you don't have it, Windex will work, a cloth, a piece of masking tape, any type of utility knife or just a sharp knife, and a squeegee that's included in the kit. So before you install the sticker, clean the area with Windex or rubbing alcohol. Clean it really nice. Make sure it's clean and dry. Second thing you want to do, somewhere on the table, take the sticker and put a piece of masking tape on it like this. All right. You can use the white one. If your sticker is really heavy and big, you can put several to one side. Then go to your truck or car, level it, position it the way you want it, and then use the masking tape like this to temporarily attach it to the surface. All right. Take a step back, make sure it's leveled. Then the next step you want to do on one of the sides, either one, peel a little bit of the backing out. All right. And this is where you will use utility knife, and you can cut the backing paper down. Just don't cut it against the car, right? Because you're gonna scratch the paint. Now what you do is you can use your hand for this. Attach this piece to the surface. Run it like this. You always want to run the squeegee from the middle to the sides, pushing all the bubbles out. Now what you can do, you can remove the tape. The tape will come off safely because this is laminated. You can take the tape out. Now you move it to the side and you can release the rest of the backing. Don't release all at once. Do just a little bit, maybe several inches at a time. And by holding a sticker like this, you want to move from the middle to the sides. With this hand, I'm basically pulling the backing as I go. All right. Now, if you do have tiny bubbles, don't worry about them too much. I'll show you how to remove them. So you keep going like this. Just go slowly. And if something goes wrong, you can always peel it back a little bit. You see? You can always peel it back slightly and carefully and redo it. All right, keep going. So from center to the edges, that's the key. And then at the end, you actually want to push like this. All right. Work it a few times, especially the edges. Right, now, if you have bubbles, you can try to push them out like this. B, if you have the bubble that's completely stuck, you can either ignore it or you can just poke it very carefully with a utility knife like this, and then work it, let the air out through that tiny hole. All right, so very easy, very efficient way. Here we go. All right, thanks for watching.